Afternoon all Hilton Fit fans and viewers alike, and today we're looking at another collab between Air Force and another uh, company called Gore-Tex. And here we're looking at the winterized Air Force One, and this is one of those Air Forces that are good for the winter season, as they are much more warmer, and the fabrics and the material used it for mainly for your colder seasons. And the sneaker is actually waterproof, meaning you can wear it if it rains, and it won't mess up your feet, and it also keeps your feet warm. And also, if you look at the beautiful laces, they're also waterproof. And also looking at the sole as well, they one of those, they're matching the green color on this one. It's all olive green, and green being my favorite color as well. So it was an easy choice for me because these came out in 5 colors, and I had to go for green and also black so that I can sneak it in some meetings. Instead of wearing shoes, I can just put on the black Gore-Texes, and these are like really comfortable sneakers, and they good for the winter weather. And also when it's raining, you can wear these without fear of messing up your sneakers. And this is also one of those best sneakers for those sneakerheads who doesn't like cleaning their sneakers, because this is easily maintainable. Besides being waterproof, you can just wipe them off with a clean cloth if they are messed up, and they are easy to clean. So you also need this as part of your collection. So this is all for today. See you tomorrow when we do the NBA Air Force One collab. Ciao.